Hello, I welcome you all to this another interesting screencast. The problem reads um, the cable attached to the tractor at B exerts a force of 350 pounds on the framework. Express this force as a Cartesian vector. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics Statics textbook, 13th edition by R.C. Hibbeler. Right, so we have this tractor here, okay, attached. A tractor is exerting a force on this particular structure, and the magnitude of the force being exerted on this particular structure A is 350 pounds force. So let's express this as a Cartesian vector. Right, so first things first, let's define our slope. We have a slope here is given as like so. Right. So this one here is this is 15, the run, and the rise is 35, and this is let's use Pythagoras theorem, 50 squared plus 35 squared. So 35 squared plus 50 squared, what do we get? We get a 3725. This is not a perfect square, is it? No, it's not. 3725. No. So 35 squared plus 50 squared, 3725. So this becomes a 3725. 3725. So we have a 3725. All right. So once we have that, then let's indicate how our vector is going to be. We first need to map a vector that is parallel to the xy plane. Okay, this is the one that we are mapping. This one is parallel to this. Can you see this? These two are parallel. Okay, so we map that one first. We are going to call it. Um, like so. And once we've done so, of course, let's call it. Let's call this one as f. This is f by 15. The run divided by the hypotenuse, which is 3725. Okay, and then let's now map the two components. We are going to have one component in this direction like so, and then we'll have another component in this direction like so. Okay, then we'll have another component in this direction like so. Okay, great. So let's label them. So this becomes f 50 divided by 3725. Of course, the angle is already given. This is the angle here between the two. The angle is also the one shown down there, which is 20 degrees. So this becomes cos 20 degrees. And this one becomes f 50 divided by root of 3725 sine 20 degrees. Then we have this one. This one is f by the rise, which is just 35 divided by root of 37 divided by that. Okay, So there we go. We've defined all the components, then we can write them down. Therefore, our first vector in Cartesian vector formatting is just going to be equal to, this is equal to, we have the x-axis, which is positive, and it's 350 by 50 divided by root of 3725, and then sine 20 I, and then we have the y component, which is also positive, and it is 350 by 50 divided by root of 3725 by cos 20 j, and then we have minus 350 by 35 by root of 3725 k. Okay, so once we've done the multiplication, then we realize that this is just going to give us, so we have 350 by 50 divided by root of 3725 by sine 20, so this gives us 98.07i. Okay, that's 50 divided by root of 3725 times sine 20 times 350, 98.07. Then 350 by 50 divided by root of 3725 times cos 20, this gives us a 269.44j, and minus 350 by 35 divided by root of 3725. Right, this gives me a 200.71k. Okay, and the units for this is pounds. Great. So I think this is about it. There we are. We have converted our vector, our force, into a vector expression. I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and liking my channel. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next screencast.